What's up everybody, this is Danny, and today I'm excited to get a chance to unbox and partner with ASUS to show you the brand new ASUS and a Bathing Ape collaboration on the VivoBook S15 OLED laptop. As a longtime sneakerhead and an admirer of street design, this limited edition hits a little different. As of now, this is still available, so I believe it's exclusive to the ASUS online store, so I'll leave a link down below so you can pick one up. I have a feeling this might sell out because trust me, this collaboration is incredible. First, I just want to admire this box. This is extremely detailed with the iconic Bape camo that they are known for, but this has a little twist. This has Baby Milo and friends all over it. I know that the tech crowd probably won't care as much about the packaging, but in the collectible world, this is extremely important and a vital part of the experience, so I'm happy to say this does not disappoint. This is the blue camo box with the silver laptop in it, but guess what? I also have the other one, which has a different color laptop and different color camo pattern. So I hope this video helps you make a decision on which one that you want. So opening up this box made me so happy because I feel like ASUS and Bape really paid attention to the details. This is the silver version of this laptop, and I'll show you more of that later on. But I want to show you what's in the rest of this box. First, you get a big envelope, and I love that the color matches throughout the packaging with that baby blue color, and it's a nice touch. You get all of the bathroom reading that you need, but you do get some dope stickers here that you can put on your accessories or your laptop. And what's great is that the color scheme matches what version of the laptop that you have, so that's awesome. Also included are the keyboard stickers if you really want to Bapeify to the next level. Again, these are the blue stickers, and if you buy the black version, you'll get green camo stickers. Since Bape is a Japanese streetwear brand, on the bottom here, you do get some Japanese stickers, which is cool. You get a compact power brick, and this is the only thing that is not customized in the box, but totally understood. You can just charge with USB-C. In the box next to it is the Marshmallow Mouse by ASUS, so I'm glad that they included this for those who need one. Again, the matching Bape camo is on this, and if you watch the presentation, it was a meticulous process to get this pattern on here, so I'm really digging this. But what I do like is if you think this is a little too wild for you, they do include a more relaxed black cover on the bottom. So let me know if you prefer this one in the comment section below, or would you rock the Bape camo one? Next up for the collectors is the figurine. If you're a Bape fan, then you're familiar with Baby Milo, and this is the classic color that you've probably seen before, but you do get a really cool laptop that is color matched as well. I think it's a nice little accessory to Baby Milo, and it's quite detailed too on the inside with the graphic on the display and the cutouts for the keyboard and trackpad. And this laptop fits right into Milo's hands, so there is what it looks like together. This is a nice collectible, especially on a desk setup where I think this one is going. Here's another good look at it, and it has the Bape and ASUS VivoBook imprint on the bottom too. But that's not all, you also get a laptop carry bag in the box. This was next to the main box. Same colorful print that matches the box, and I believe this is a polyester material that feels like it could be durable enough for you to put this laptop in and carry daily. The theme print is also found throughout the inside, which is a great touch, and there are separate compartments for all of your accessories, so this is very functional. I'm sure this carry bag will work on a variety of laptops this size, so I know I'll be using this. The print is subtle though, and the Velcro tab detail is also nice, and as you can imagine, the ASUS VivoBook S15 OLED is a perfect fit. So let me know what you think about this. Are you a fan of Bape, and how do you think they did on the packaging as a whole? Let me know in the comment section below. What I absolutely appreciate is that the customizations also make it over to the laptop as well, so they didn't just throw in the old laptop and just upcharge you for all of the accessories that are in the box. On the lid, they photo light etched the camel print, so this is neat because depending on the way the light hits it, some parts are more detailed than others. You also get a metal plate that sits perfectly flush on the body that makes the collaboration known, which I especially love on the silver version. The Bape Ape and Milo together on the bottom right corner of the laptop, and then check out that trackpad too. Same process here, so I really like the way that looks. On the back, you get the same logo as you do on the front, and there are also orange accents that continue on from the original design of the VivoBook, so I think this works great on the silver model, and the orange is also on the escape key, which I think gives it a nice little flair. What do you think about that? If you're not familiar with the ASUS VivoBook S15 OLED, then here's a little breakdown. As the name implies, it's a 15-inch OLED display and it looks fantastic. 600 nits, so it's nice and bright. Also has a 120 Hz refresh rate too, so everything looks silky smooth on this gorgeous display. This is powered by the Intel Core i9-13900H with 16 GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD, so this is a great everyday computer. It has that cool 3D NR front-facing camera, so if you do a lot of video conferencing, this will be the laptop for you. And it also has a physical privacy shield built in, so I'm always a fan of that. Nice selection of ports too. You get the power connector, full HDMI port, which is great, USB-A 3.2, and a Thunderbolt 4 port, which is lightning fast, and you can charge and drive an external monitor at the same time, and a headphone jack, and plenty of ventilation on the other side, along with a USB 2.0 port, which comes in handy sometimes. The keyboard is also comfortable to type on, so I think you'll be happy with it. Of course, it is backlit. There's also a fingerprint scanner there for easy login, so this laptop is absolutely stacked. This is not a gaming laptop, but you can definitely do some casual gaming here, powered by the Intel Arc 350M. This has a respectable 75 watt-hour battery, so it should be great for all-day use, and it has Wi-Fi 6E and fast charging to round it out, so this is a well-rounded laptop. In my opinion, I think for Bape's first laptop collaboration, they did a great job with ASUS. This has a lot of details that I did not expect it to have, so I hope that partnership continues. I would love to see this type of detail and Bape style on a gaming laptop, like a high-end gaming laptop. I think that would be fire. Like I promised you earlier, I told you I had the black one as well, so let's pop this one open and show you some of the differences since you've already seen this version. This one is still sealed, so I get to do this all over again. You can see the different color on the inside, which is matching for the green camo, which is cool. Figurine, black laptop, matching green camo stickers, the mouse. So here's what they look like side by side. Let me know which colorway that you like the best here and which one that you would pick in the comment section below. Are you team green camo or blue camo? I don't know, I'm kind of torn on this one, but I think if I had to decide, I'd go blue camo. Just in case you wanted to see them side by side, there is the silver and there is the black. So looking at them together, they both look really, really good. I'm kind of leaning towards the silver, but the black also looks really, really great. Same feel and texture on both of them though. Here is the inside of the computer. Same orange accents, but definitely the silver print is easier to see than the black. It's a little bit more subdued, so if you want it a little bit tamed down, the black is the way to go. All right, so let's end it with pricing. So this bundle is $12.99, and I know there's going to be some of you that say, wait, that's too expensive, but you have to consider what this laptop cost originally, and then the bundle being $12.99 with the high-end spec, the i9, 1TB SSD, 16 gigabytes of RAM is actually not that bad because you're getting a great computer and you're getting all of those Bape accessories and all those personal touches. So I expected this collaboration to be worse when it comes to pricing. So let me know what you think about that. But if you want to pick one up, I will leave a link down below because, like I said, I think these will be in high demand. Who really knows? But I think it's worth picking up. So I'll leave a link down below. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for ASUS for sending me these because this was definitely something special to me being a sneakerhead and streetwear fan. This was amazing. So subscribe for more videos like this. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.